I hear if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Call you when I get there, you just get your shit ready.
Every other day you forget how to care about me, about me.
I be on the moon by myself. They say that they real, but I can't tell.
What about me? About me? Forget me. What about me?
Welcome. Before I even get into the introduction, I'm just gonna let you know what's about to go down. So I'm about to do my hair, and my hair is high porosity, meaning my hair takes in moisture my hair takes in moisture pretty fast, and it basically releases the moisture just as fast as it absorbed the moisture. Therefore, my hair will dry out really fast. So by that being said, this is going to be a struggle because of the title. The title says what? The wet look. So I gotta basically try and keep my hair either wet, moisture, or just look wet, appear to be wet, illusion or something. We're gonna figure this out. But if you haven't seen the video before this one, I did a video on hair porosity, and my main focus was high porosity because that's the type of hair that I think I had. So what I basically did, I did a few tests just to see if I really had high porosity hair. So I'm going to link that in the description. Also, the end of this video, you can click, it's a clickable link. I'm going to just link them together, and then you'll be able to check it out. So don't click off just yet and go looking for that video. This will all make sense as well. And that video will just basically put everything in the perspective that I'm about to do here today. Just know that this is going to be a challenge to do my hair. And the product that I basically showed you guys in that other video is what I'm going to use to help do my hair. This is the product. The main choice, sealing cream, which is one of the most important things other than moisture for someone that has high porosity hair. Once you get the moisture in, you have to find out a way to keep it there. And a way to keep it there is sealing your ends. So I'm going to moisturize my hair today and seal my ends to keep that moisture in. And hopefully I'll be able to pull off the wet look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. You know, if you have some tips, if you think that there's a better way that I could have done it, let me know, because this has been a struggle basically my entire life. I've had this type of hair probably as long as I can remember. Well, since I've been doing my own hair. When I was younger, I think I had like normal porosity because I didn't need anything. Really, it was just low maintenances. Yeah. So basically, what was I about to say? I forgot. Oh yeah. So basically, all my life has kind of been a struggle. I've been doing the wet look, but by the time I go outside a few hours, it's the dry look. So this wet look, this product is gonna. I'm speaking this into existence. This product is gonna change my life. This product is gonna change my life. I'm speaking it because this is what I need. I need my hair to look moisturized when I go outside so that I can just wear it without being in a ponytail, without being in a protected style, without being in my two plaits like I wear all the time with my little part down the middle. I want to wear my hair out. I don't want it to be huge like an afro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you some pictures that I have and show you exactly. I'm basically going to do the same thing today without this extra product. And matter of fact, take a look at this picture real quick. So that picture right there, this picture, I used oil on my hair. I used the same oil. I used this oil here. This is by Adowa Beauty. You can get that online. I'll put the link down in the description. I also use a spray bottle to wet my hair, and I use gel. I use the Eco Styler gel. I'll put that up there as well, which is the black castor oil gel. And to top that off, I even use Got to Be Glued, y'all. Got to Be Glued. The hairspray that you lace with, yes, I put that on my hair to keep it down, and it was like, yeah, take a look at that. It looks moisturized. It looks a little shiny because I put some finishing spray on it. But no, underneath the layers were pretty dry and poofy. But let's get into this. So let me show you how this is gonna go down. For starters, I'm just gonna put some oil in my hair. This is the Baomint blend. Oh, Baomint blend, Baobab, winter mint, and spearmint oils. You can actually smell it. It smells really good. So I'm just gonna put some on the outside of my hair. I'm just gonna put some on the outside of my hair, on the ends. So I'm gonna just turn around and show you guys how I do it. I'm just gonna start by just parting it in the back and making sections and just working my way around. So I might fast forward or something. Oh, so I just condition my hair, put oil in it, and leave-in conditioner. After this, I'll put my hair up into a clip so that I'm able to section my hair easier. Then I'll take my comb and part a section of my hair so that I'm able to get the moisture and the product into each of the layers of my hair. Then I'll take my comb and comb my tangles out and then use water to moisturize my hair. Depending on how dry my hair is, I may use the water first to moisturize it before I comb my tangles. Then I brush the moisture into my hair. And next I'll use the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel on my hair to help lay it down. And then I'll use my hands to help work the gel into my hair as well. Then I'm going to brush my hair and brush the gel into my hair to help lay it down against my head to make it look more of a wet look, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to do the same process where I'll part my hair and detangle it and use the products until I reach the front of my hair. And once I reach the front of my hair, I'll turn around and show you guys what the front looks like. And hopefully I'm able to pull off this wet look. I did sections because my hair is a lot more manageable in sections. And once I got to the middle part here, it was really dry, so I had to take it and put it in additional sections and wet my hair and detangle it to help the moisture get into my hair. As you guys know, I do have high porosity hair, so my hair dries pretty fast, and the middle of my hair dried pretty fast. So that was like a challenge to actually re-moisturize my hair and keep it moisturized throughout the whole process. So I had to keep pressing my hair down like against my head to stop it from getting frizzy. The product that I'm gonna use for high porosity hair to seal my ends, I decided to use it at the end because I feel like I wasn't gonna be able to get the moisture in my hair if I've already put something on my hair to seal it. So I decided to do that at the end. Moisturize my hair, detangle it, and then seal in the moisture after everything is done so that it could hold it in and actually pull off the wet look. So that's what I'm going to do at the end after all of this process is done. And then we're going to see what it do, if this is going to be the wet look or the dry look. My hair is a lot more manageable when it's in sections, so that's why I sectioned it off. It takes longer, but it's worth it. I'm able to get the moisture in between the layers. I'm gonna need a new brush. Okay, so almost done, but my hair is starting to like really wave, so it's really hard to keep it down. So I have to hold it tight. If I let it go, it just starts to wave. All right. The moment you've all been waiting for. I cannot let my hair go because it's gonna go. So I have it all together. That's why my hand is like behind my head. But I want to just turn around so that you can see the back, and then I'll let it dry for a little bit, air dry, and then we'll see the finished product. All right, gotta hold on to it. All right, so to end it, I just gotta put this on to seal all of the wetness into my hair. So put a little bit on. Just rub it all in my head, just seal it. And then cover it up, and we'll see. Be right back after this seals in the moisture. We're gonna see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit, clean up my mess, and then we'll see what happens. Yeah. I let it dry a little bit. It's not all the way, well, it's dry, but it's like, I don't know. It looks boom, I'm back. So let's see what this sealing cream did to keep in the moisture. Hopefully it did. So let's check it out. Let's see what we have underneath of this rag. Boom, there it is. What y'all think? Did I pull off the wet look? Did it stay? It kind of looks wet. So this picture was taken the next day to show you guys how this product was sealing the moisture. All I did was reapply it, cover my hair, and let it dry overnight. And this is the final wet look. All right, so let me know what you think down in the description. If you feel like this is a product that you're gonna go pick up for your high porosity hair. If you think the wet look is the wet look, let me know. If you feel like you have more tips to help me with the wet look, like this video, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that when I post another video, you will know and you will be able to tune in and be a little more interactive with me and give me some tips, some positive feedback. I love to hear from you guys. Take care. Love yourself. Cherokee Quest. I forgot to even introduce myself to y'all, but hopefully you watched the end of this video and you know who I am and you actually went to my channel. Yeah.